Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website using the Astra theme. First, understand that Astra is a highly customizable and performance-focused WordPress theme. It's known for its lightweight structure, often under 50 kilobytes, which helps your website load quickly. This theme is also incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners and experienced developers alike. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with major page builders, giving you extensive design freedom. Next, let's get Astra installed. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New. Search for Astra, install it, and then activate the theme. Once activated, you can access Astra's options. To jumpstart your design, install the free Starter Templates plugin. This provides a library of over 280 ready-to-use website templates that you can import with just one click, saving you hours of design work. Now for customization. Astra is built to integrate perfectly with page builders like Elementor, allowing you to visually design your pages with drag-and-drop ease. You can also use the WordPress customizer to adjust global settings such as colors, typography, and overall site layout. Astra also includes a powerful header and footer builder, giving you full control to create unique and branded sections without any coding. Finally, let's talk about essential plugins and launching your site. Consider adding plugins for SEO, like Yoast SEO, to improve your search engine visibility. Security plugins, such as Solid Security, are crucial for protecting your website. Also, implement a reliable backup solution like WP Vivid Backup to safeguard your content. Optimize your images and overall site speed for a better user experience. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to launch your professional website. And hey, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.